BYD's sub-brand Fang Cheng Bao is shaking things up again, this time with the launch of the Titanium 3, a futuristic electric sport utility vehicle designed for families who want rugged style and high-tech features without spending a fortune. This compact electric sport utility vehicle stands out right away thanks to its edgy, geometric design and those massive wheel arches that scream capability. It even comes with something you do not see every day: a roof-mounted drone cabin that can launch, land, and even charge your drone while you drive. That is not just for fun either. There is artificial intelligence involved to help you capture some serious aerial footage on the go. Inside, the Titanium 3 goes all in on comfort and entertainment. You are looking at a 15.6-inch touchscreen display at the center, a 12-inch head-up display that projects key info right onto the windshield, and yes, there is even a mini fridge on board with adjustable temperature. For music lovers, BYD partnered with Devialet to deliver premium sound, and there is a karaoke microphone thrown in for good measure. This thing is built for road trips, no doubt about it. Performance-wise, the Titanium 3 rides on BYD's Evo Plus platform and is available in both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive setups. The dual-motor all-wheel drive version delivers around 416 horsepower, which lets it sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.9 seconds. That is not bad at all for a family-friendly ride. The top speed hits 201 kilometers per hour. Battery choices range from 65.28 kilowatt hours to 78.72 kilowatt hours, and depending on the configuration, you can get up to 501 kilometers of range based on the CLTC test cycle. With a starting price around 200,000 Chinese yuan, or roughly 27,600 United States dollars, this electric sport utility vehicle offers serious value. Pre-orders opened on March 31st, 2025, and official sales are expected to kick off in the first half of the year. Right now, it is only available in China, but with BYD's aggressive global expansion, it would not be surprising to see the Titanium 3 hit international markets soon. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss what is next in the world of electric mobility.